Hi everyone, these are the Craftsman Locking Pliers. I got them from Amazon, so as you see I got two for a very good price. So these are a very good value. Let's open them and see how they work. So the plier here, it is now locking on the plastic bit. Just open it so that you can remove it, and it should be removed easily. So this is the biggest plier. And this is the smallest one. Also open it. The difference between the small and the big one, of course, apart from the size, is that the teeth of the small one are straight, whereas the bigger one has like here a curve on the teeth. So this makes this set really very versatile. So to operate it, it doesn't have a handle here. So this is something different than the other locking pliers. It opens easily. And of course, you can adjust it here with this screw. So this is how it adjusts. And you can open it very easily. And they really feel very sturdy. So it's the same also for the smallest one. Let's open it and then adjust it. So if you cannot adjust it while it is closed, just open it first and then adjust it. So let's test it on this metal bar here. So now it really locks in place. So this should also lock in place here easily. So it is really very, very sturdy, and it locks really very good in place. So I got these pliers to work around the house, especially to do plumbing work. The handle here is thick and it is soft. So it is good for your hands and it grips very well. And this is the same thing for the smallest one also. By the way, if you want to check out these locking pliers from Craftsman, you can take a look in the description below. I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will help my channel greatly. So that was my very quick unboxing and review for these locking pliers from Craftsman. I want to thank you all for watching, and if you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and this will help the channel greatly. And this way you'll not miss any future videos I make. See you in the next video.